block sharpener on all my knives. I sharpen the serrated edges on the middle, and I've had it for years. Love it. I continue to use it.
Thank you.
You're welcome. Bought one of these at the last show. It's in our kitchen. It's our go-to sharpener. It's fantastic.
Thank you.
Yeah.
How's the block sharpener work for you?
Works good. Does real good.
If you want to keep your knife surgically sharp to cut up your meat, this is the way to go. I've got it right by my own Chicago cutlery set, and it is a champ. It don't get any better than this.
Thank you. Thank you very much.
My name is Dennis Rudoy. I've been using this type of sharpener for 5 years now. I sharpen everything. I put an edge on my axes, on my hatchets. I've even taken a butter knife and put an edge on it that you can cut paper with like a razor blade. Very happy with it. For the money, you can't beat it.
Thank you. Thank you. Appreciate it.
Clint DeJarnette, this is a great product. I mean, it works great. There's no problem. Here at the Renaissance Hotel, it's a great product.
You're a chef back here in the kitchen?
Yes, sir. House restaurant chef.
All right. Y'all using the block knife sharpener there?
Yes, sir. Just grabbed one and went to the back and used it, and it worked great.
All right. Well, thank you. I'm glad you enjoy it.
All right. Thank you.
I'm Noah Couric. I'm from Orlando, Florida. Block sharpeners are really awesome. Get one. Thank you.
Thank you, guys. Appreciate it.
I'm Keith from Cincinnati. The sharpening is great.
I bought one last time I was here, and sharpens the kitchen knives awesome. Really nice product.
Thank you. Now,
block sharpener is the best knife sharpener I've ever used. I've had several of these, and I'll continue buying them. And I'll tell everybody about it. Get them now.
Thank you. Appreciate you. What do you think of the block sharpener?
It's a great product. Been using it now for a couple months. Keep it in my range bag, keep one in my toolbox, passed it on. It's a great product. Haven't found anything it can't do yet. I recommend it.
I bought this product from the last gun show, and I took it home, and it's been my best, my go-to sharpening tool. I really enjoy it when I go to sharpen my knives.
Thank you.
Anybody else carry your knife? We'll show you it works. American-made, I'll sharpen any blade, y'all. Thank you, appreciate it. Thank you. Y'all got your knives, guys? We'll show you it works. Bring her on over.